Hi, I'm Tony and welcome back. Laminators are a must in every sign professional's workshop, and at CPH Group we stock an excellent entry-level model, the EzyRoller Sahara 1630. Offering premium quality silicone roller with heat assist, an automatic take-up roller and the 1630mm laminating width, the Sahara is exceptional value for money. You'll find effortless hands-free operation via a foot switch and roll-to-roll laminating speeds of up to 7 metres per minute, plus the unique non-stick silicone rollers delivering a bubble-free application every time. And the independently heated top roller helps reduce silvering effects. With reverse motor capability to prevent potential jams, variable speed control and sturdy construction for extended durability and trouble-free operation, this laminator is the complete package. There are so many features on this machine, it's a must-have for every workshop. And remember, with machinery like this, you can take advantage of the government's instant asset tax write-off incentive. Talk to us today about organising a demo. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.